Hello guys, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian composer. In this special video lesson, I'd like to talk about a popular feast, Halloween, in relation to music. I'll walk you through the process of creating spooky Halloween music. I composed the music piece for this purpose. Here are the basic details of the piece. A typical spooky Halloween piece is often in a melodic or harmonic minor scale with chromatic notes, so these scales are great starting points if you want to create a spooky melody. As for the chord progression, some common chord pairs can help establish a creepy, eerie mood. I'll show you a few examples, of course in minor scales. At the beginning and the end, the strings play in tremolo articulation, establishing the spooky atmosphere. The viola follows the bassoon, creating a pale, horror-like orchestral doubling. In the main theme, the violin plays ostinatos, while the harp helps with the transitions. The relatively fast violin notes contribute to creating a tense atmosphere. The cellos and double basses switch between staccato and legato. The bass staccatos help convey an unsettling mood. At the beginning and the end, the clarinets follow the violins. The flutes, along with the piccolo, mostly play runs. As I mentioned earlier, the bassoon plays together with the viola in the intro and the end. At the beginning and the end, the brass section remains silent. In the main theme, the tenor trombones and French horns provide harmonies, while the bass trombone and the tuba follow the cellos and the double basses. The tuba and bass trombone emphasize the bass notes together with the cellos and double basses, creating more tension. Suspended cymbals help create smooth transitions between the sections. Cymbals and bass drums build tension. I use two special instruments, a theremin and a music box library. Definite pitch percussion instruments can create a spooky mood, but I didn't want to use a regular celeste or glockenspiel, so I chose something more unique. The theremin is a common instrument for Halloween music. If you found this video lesson interesting and helpful, you can support me by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, subscribing, or even buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching.